Seeing the "another instance is running" error in Windows 11? Here are 6 fixes to resolve it. Press Win plus R keys, then type service.msc in the Run box and click on OK. In the Services window, scroll down till you find the Workstation service. When found, double-click on it. In the Workstation Properties window that opens, make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Once done, click on OK. Open the Settings app on your PC by pressing the Win plus I keys on your PC. There, select the Apps option. Go to the Apps and Features option on the left pane. On the right pane, you will find a list of software installed on your PC. Look for Web Companion app in this list and select to expand it. From the options, click on the Uninstall button. After uninstalling the app, restart your PC and see if the error shows up. Press Win plus I keys together to open the Windows Settings app. There, select the Window Update option. In the new window, select the Windows Update from the left pane. Then click on the Check for Updates on the right pane. Open Settings and go to System using the steps provided in the previous method. Go to Recovery option on the left pane. Then select the Click on the Restart Now option under the Advanced Startup section. Your PC will restart now in Advanced Repair mode. There, click on the Troubleshoot option. From the next screen, select the Advanced options. Now, select the Startup Settings option from the next screen. When the next screen appears, hit the Restart button now. Once again, your PC will restart. This time, you will be seeing various boot options. Select the option No. 4. That is the safe mode. Now, your PC will boot in safe mode. Go ahead and follow the steps below to perform a clean boot. Open the Run dialog box by pressing Win plus R keys simultaneously. In the box, type msconfig and hit the Enter key. The System Configuration window will open. In the General tab, make sure the Load Startup Items option is deselected. After deselecting the option, click on Apply. Next, open the Services tab. Here, select the Hide All Microsoft Services checkbox and click on the Disable All option. Click on Apply button again. Go to the Startup tab. Click on the Open Task Manager option. When in Task Manager, you will see a list of programs installed on your PC. Select each of these programs one at a time and click the Disable button. When done, restart your PC in normal mode. If the issue persists, follow the next solution. Press the Start button and type CMD in the Start menu search box. From the results, right-click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the following command in the Command Prompt window, then press the Enter key, SFC/Scano. Let the scan run and restart your PC once it is complete. Run Command Prompt in admin mode by following the steps in the previous method. Copy the command given below, paste it in Command Prompt, then hit the Enter button. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Once the scan is over, reboot your PC and check for error. If not fixed, try the next scan. Insert the installation media in your PC. Open Command Prompt in administrator mode as shown above, type the following command and press Enter. DISM/online/cleanupimage/scan health. Again, type the next command and hit Enter. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. The final step requires you to copy the command given below and paste in the Command Prompt window, but you will have to replace the X with the name of the drive on which the installation media has been mounted on your PC. Press Enter after that. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Source.wimx, sourcesinstall.wim, 1/limit access. Without interrupting the process, let the scan finish. When done, reboot PC, and check if you are still getting another instance is running error in your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.